Hi everyone, that's Artemakis, and today we are going to address a common SQL Server error, the error converting varchar to float. Understanding how to resolve this issue is crucial for maintaining data integrity and ensuring smooth database operations. Let's start with the float data type in SQL Server. This type represents floating point numbers and is used for approximate numerical values. Float has varying levels of precision depending on the value's size. This flexibility makes float suitable for a wide range of numerical data, but it's essential to manage the format of input data to avoid conversion errors, especially when dealing with different locales. To illustrate the error, consider this T-SQL example. In the above code example, and for our current locale, it is the comma that causes the conversion failure. The reason for this is because the comma for our locale is just a group digit symbol. Now let's talk about solutions. In this first solution, we manually clean the varchar string by removing non-numeric characters before conversion, in this case the comma. It is important to note that for locales where the comma is the decimal separator, you need to ensure to handle the decimal point appropriately. The second solution involves using SQL functions to automate the cleaning process. Here we use the replace function to remove commas from the string. Like in the previous solution, note that for locales using a comma as a decimal point instead of the period, you need to handle the period using the replace function before conversion. The third solution is more robust. We create a user-defined function that can handle different cleaning scenarios. Again, as a note, you will need to modify the function to handle different locale formats if needed. The error converting varchar to numeric in SQL Server can be resolved in a similar manner. Follow the same steps for cleaning and preparing data. Use appropriate T-SQL functions and handling for different locales. To prevent these errors, follow these best practices. Firstly, ensure varchar values are sanitized before conversion. Secondly, avoid using digit grouping symbols like commas in numeric strings. And finally, implement T-SQL functions to handle complex cleaning scenarios and different locales. In conclusion, proper data preparation is essential. Use SQL functions to ensure reliable conversions. For more insights on AI, databases, programming, and tech trends, subscribe to my channel on YouTube.